TTRS. Today, what do we have? Installing the other brakes. I wrote here on this brake rotor, driver side, alright? The brake caliper, I don't have to mark it anywhere because there is the bleeding here up, okay? And the bypass, it's down here. So you understand that if you try to install this brake caliper on the passenger side, the bleeders will gonna looks down and you're never gonna bleed it there out from the caliper, okay? That's why I'm not writing anything on the calipers. I'm riding only on the brake rotors, driver and passenger. And then on the brake pads here, we have driver side, driver side, driver side, driver side. This is inner, outer, outer. This is down, this is up, this is down, this is up. So if anybody, the owner, let us say, if you want to install it back again or if you want to sell it, because the brake pads are excellent, they don't have any problem, and the brake rotors, they have life, yeah, to put it properly again as it was running, let us say, till now. Now, each box you're gonna have, let us say, the driver side is gonna be in one box wrapped with nylon to don't come any heat on the caliper, on the rotor or whatever, and the other box is gonna be for the passenger side. I'm just saying. And the same thing what you see here, this is for the owner, obviously. You're gonna be, instead of being driver, you're gonna be passenger. You're gonna write pass for passenger, DR for the driver side, not doctor. Okay. That's it for now. I'll gonna show you later on how it's gonna be. Okay. The habit's been cleaned. All right. Some anti-seized paste or grease, or call it as you like. It's for the to don't seize for the brake pads and for the hub. The brake rotor, driver side, okay, brake pads, upper, lower, and the pins with the spring. Here, the caliper, I still have it out. Not now, the brake caliper. I want to see about the brake line actually. It's supposed to have a new brake line. Now, there is a rotation mark, beautiful, excellent. A little bit of the paste here, moving on. That's how it looks like, a light film. Light film here in this country that does have a rain, it does have a salt on the street, it's excellent, it's more than enough. Okay, getting the front left brake rotor, installing it in place. I put the 30 torques here, and then what do you see? You see a gap here and no gap here. And then if you try to move, you see this. Stop, guys, please. What does mean that one? That the brake rotor, it might be here, it might be here. It won't align. And then I open completely the box to see if there is any washer, any space or something to align it. These are the brake calipers, these are the brake lines, this is for the brake pad sensor, this is supposed to be the brake pads, these are the brackets, the fittings. And it came the time to read the instructions at this point, because to me this is not right. You're gonna wobble. Back inside of the engine room. Let me turn off the light because we're gonna come blind. Let's see what we have here. We have this, we have this, we have this. This is a turbocharger. I put the paper inside. Yeah, okay. This is from Wheelwood. Forget the stickers. This goes back to the owner. And then here's the lower bleed screws, obviously. Yeah. Okay. This is for the bleeding. There must be about the portion. Okay. All right. Forget about this. Forget about the stickers. What has here? I already opened this one. See what has inside. Has a biscuit or what? Here we have some candies. So nice. Okay. Business card. And this one. This belongs to the customer. Doesn't belong to me. Okay, not helpful here. Okay. This for the supercharger. Turbocharger. So I put the paper inside. Okay, and from the brakes, they're only this. Okay, let me get all this and put in the box outside. Belongs to the customer, doesn't belong to me. Has something. Thank you for buying the product. This is for the turbo. This is for the turbo. And only this is for the... Yeah, this is for the turbo. So the only thing what has the brake kit, it's only the stickers. And these two to show you how to bleed it, actually, to see where is the nipple. It has to pointing up, obviously, to bleed the air from the system. Yeah, splendid. How helpful it was that. Let's put it back in the box. Okay, having a look again inside of the box, there is nothing more than nothing, actually. The packaging material only, alright? So, do I missing something? These are the brake calipers. These are the brake pads. Cannot have nothing inside other than the brake pads. Okay, I'm not missing something. No, not missing anything. Here inside didn't have anything else. I will check in the box. And again, what adapter you gonna make here? What kind of adapter you gonna make here too? Oh boy, how much is this one? 2 millimeters? Not even 2. 1 millimeter. To center it, and if you center it, the hole here, it's pulling this way. Nope. Sorry, it's a nope. We have to talk to the customer. Nofu, can you please remove for me the rear wheel? I just want to get one measurement here on the hub. Just why you can put the bolts? You can put it. It's supposed to have a space, but again, it's not right. Yeah, it will not gonna align.
If you tighten this one, and it's...
Yeah, Mr. John. I'm gonna torque it down, alright? See the space? It might be like this, it might be like this, it might be all over the place. You don't need only 1 point, you need 2 points.
Yeah.
You need 2 points. You need to center it here in the center, exactly, to don't wobbling while it's working. And this one, just secure it, to be able to insert the brake caliper. Okay, let's open the one rear wheel. Get the gun over there, the air pipes here. I'm gonna remove the brass. Yeah, remove, give it to me, this is mine. And Mr. Nufu here, he's gonna open the rear wheel, just for my curiosity. Okay, let's get some measurements. Right? This is 65. Alright? And this one is 66. 1 millimeter greater. That means half millimeter here, half millimeter here. A spacer around. How lovely is that? Okay, let's go to check the rear one. Yeah, in this condition, oh boy. One second. One second. It cannot be 66 because if you put, let us say, the rear one at 66, it has to be there. So no, it's a 65 also the rear one. So it's not for front, it's not for back. How beautiful is that? Right, Mr. John? Left up. Amazing. Nice. Close that wheel back again. Close also this wheel, put it back again. Bolt it down. Then I have to talk to the customer for this. What should we do? How we should continue? It's important to be centered the rotor on the hub.